BSF Meghalaya celebrated the country's 75th Independence Day at Frontier Headquarters Umpling, Shillong. The celebration began with flight hoisting by Sri Inderjit Singh Rana, Inspector General BSF Meghalaya. BSF personnel deployed on border also celebrated this auspicious and proud day with flag hoisting, organizing barakhana and distributing sweets to counterpart border foes. Students of BSF schools were not lagging behind in celebrating this remarkable day. Cultural programs performed by students of BSF schools Umpling captivated all the spectators. Attending the program, IGBSF Meghalaya extended his wishes and motivated students to keep the nation on topmost priority and to become good citizens of India. On this auspicious occasion, IGBSF Meghalaya also visited the composite hospital BSF Shillong and wished patients to get well soon, besides presenting them fruit baskets. He also conveyed his greetings to the people of Meghalaya, to all members of the force and their families.